The upcoming Air Jordan 1 Low Elephant print release for fall or winter 2025 blends tradition with modern design, taking cues from the Air Jordan 3's legendary elephant print. Its construction highlights a mostly black upper with leather overlays on a gray elephant print base, while striking yellow accents brighten the insoles, heel wings logo, tongue patch, and mini swooshes. Though the meaning behind the yellow touches remains unclear, many link it to Michael Jordan's motorsport passion rather than the K54 line. Retailer previews show a bold fusion of the Air Jordan 1 Low's heritage with distinctive Jordan brand details, reflecting the label's dedication to reimagining classics for new generations. This drop emphasizes how the Jumpman legacy thrives by balancing history with innovation, ensuring the silhouette remains fresh, relevant, and influential in today's ever-evolving sneaker culture.